As y'all can see, it didn't really do much. Looked like it did more raining. See where I left my pot? I was working on the garden a little bit. But yeah. Here are my birds. That's why I protect this every more. Cause I got a whole bunch of nice birds in there. Yeah, but it didn't do much, family. We'll finish the garden up. But it's starting to get morning. Momo out there pooping. Come on, Momo. Are you almost done? Oh, no, she's not done. Woo! Let's see, what's all the way over there? Nothing. Damn squirrels be attacking me from right over there. That's where they be coming from, right there. See that fence? Them fucking squirrels, man. They be feeding them goddamn peanuts and shit. So these squirrels are bigger than my dog. And they come right down there. I be trying to fight them. That tree right there, they used to be up in there, but that tornado tore their ass out. All right, family. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Oh yeah, we made 100 plus subscribers. We're gonna try to keep bringing y'all good and new content. I want to thank the Griffins. I want to thank Chief out there. I want to thank the Chief. I want to thank Lefty Two Guns. You know what I'm saying? I want to thank Ballin' on the Budget. My man S. Dot. Word up. He gonna be S. Dot 2 states now. But yeah. A lot of people I want to thank out there, man. Living life with the Me-Banes. All of y'all, man. Real talk. Real talk. My man, one of a kind vlogs. Brian and his boy Chocolate Brother with that onesie. Y'all have a good one, fam. Grand Rising. Woo, it's cold.